Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be discussing what is a unicorn. If you watched yesterday's video where I mentioned that I'm only dating couples going forward, you would know that that's pretty much what a unicorn is. But for the sake, I'm gonna Google it. What is a unicorn in a relationship, right? Okay. A unicorn in a relationship is a third person who joins an existing couple, usually in a polyamorous or swinging arrangement. For me, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. For me though, it goes a little bit deeper than that. A unicorn would be, you see how yesterday I described, all right, let me not even talk about yesterday. Yesterday's yesterday, today's today, two different days. To me, what a unicorn would be is if I have my man and then we bring someone in and that person exclusively just entertains us or has fun with us sexually, and that would be their only role in the situation, right? The openness of it all. That third person would be considered the unicorn. Or me, for example, if I was supposed to join a couple, like I said I want to do, or wanted to do yesterday, I would be considered a unicorn. Last year is when I was doing the podcast, I think, and I was on live and I was doing that one episode, and one of my friends came on and she's like, when she was doing here, she had a client who was a unicorn, and the husband in the relationship called her to have intercourse with just her without his wife, and she actually went. Now to me, this is a big no. This is a big red flag. This is a big flag on the plate. Like, this right here is where it gets very, very, very tricky. This is why I feel like you have to make sure that you are secure in your relationship before you decide to bring someone in. You two need to have rules set in place. You have to be secure within each other. You have to trust each other and know that and believe that neither one of you is going to step out and try to link with the third person that you're bringing in. Because once you do that without the person's knowledge, that's cheating, regardless of if you've had a threesome with this person before. You should never ever call the third to link up one away. And if you, the third, are called to link up with one of the partners one away, I feel like you should remove yourself completely from that couple. And then if the other partner asks you why, what happened, you can be like, you were placed in an uncomfortable situation that you just don't want to discuss. Or if you feel like you have that, relationship with them, you could be like, all right, your man approached me and I was not down with it. Or you can let them know from the jump. Me personally, what would I do if I was contacted? I think I'll do the first thing, and that's probably why I said it first. I would just remove myself from the couple completely, like just move on from them. Be like, all right, I'm out. I would probably block them, or I don't know. But then that wouldn't be fair to the other person, would it? But then it would force that other person to talk to their partner. But then the partner could lie and gaslight and manipulate, which they could still do if I were to come out and tell them whatever. And then I would look like a crazy person, like I meet want your man when I never me want your man, girl. So there's that as well. So as a unicorn, I feel like it's very, very, very tricky. And you should make sure that whichever couple you're joining, you do your research on them. You do your due diligence. The same way you would look into the person if you were supposed to go into a monogamous relationship. The same way you would, have conversations and talk and figure out, all right, what do you like, what do you not like, your sexual history, persons you've been with, things you've done before. I feel like that same conversation or those conversations need to be had with the couple that it is that you're trying to join. Not doing that is doing yourself a disservice as said unicorn, unless you're just there for like a one time, two time, and that's it. You feel me? Because even though, yes, I feel like it's more casual and you're just having fun. Hold on. I have to like be cute at all times. Even though it's more, I feel like it's more casual and you're just having fun. Once you start having sex with people, you do get some sort of attachment to them. Like you want to be with them more than not. Right? Which is why I'm so against having sex during the talking phase and having sex during the dating phase. You can do whatever you want. You're an adult, a consenting adult at that, right? Engaging with other consenting adults. But I feel like once you incorporate sex, it's going to make you feel like there is more or less to another person. Like your judgment is already clouded because the sex was either really good or really bad, right? When you get to know someone more personally before you get intimate, it will make the sex better. Knowing someone and liking someone, knowing their body, knowing what they like, what they dislike, what they've been through, what they haven't been through, it makes the sex better. And this is not a question. There's no doubt about it. Which is why I'm not sleeping with nobody. I don't feel like sleeping with nobody. I don't want to get to know nobody. Like, so how we enjoying a couple? I don't know. I'm just here for vibes. I'm here for bottles and to put bottles on my head top and say, hey, what Tashika. I'm just here for a good time, man. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. But if you're trying to seriously date another couple, please get to know these people. There are crazy people out here. There are people who will approach you like they're in a couple and the guy will approach you saying, hey, I want you to be my wife. I want you to da-da-da-da. And the wife will be like, what are you talking about? Like, no, try to meet them together. All right? Or if you meet one away, you yourself link up with the other one, right? Like, all right. This is the couple, right? And this is you, the unicorn, right? So let's say the husband approach you. Oh, you look nice, you know. You want me here for that? Oh, I have a wife and she like girls too. So I want to try for that. You say to the husband, talk to your wife about me, right? And then I will talk to her one away. I will talk to her on Monday night. You talk to her Monday morning. That way she don't feel ambushed, right? Right. Okay, ma'am, no problem. So the husband now goes and talks to the wife. Babes, I find a girl and she look nice and she gonna talk to you later. Met me know the vibes right. Okay, baby, thanks for telling me. Now the wife and you slide into the wife DM, right? And the two want to start talk. Hi, you're cute. Yeah, let's go have a drink. Now the three of you can go out and have a one drink. What I would suggest is you and the wife meet up beforehand, since you and the husband already have a one away. The husband already having that back in mind, say it want you, right? You and the wife meet up one away, and the two of you have a drink and you talk, see how the energies, feel, and then the husband come maybe like an hour later or 30 minutes later, whatever. Join the conversation no sooner than 30 minutes though. Like, give them some time, husband. 30 to an hour, come, the children now have another drink, another shot, eat some food, enjoy each other company, chit chat, talk. Go home your separate ways. Make sure to exchange number. Then you can start trying to have a group chat or whatever. Do not talk outside of the group chat. Do not talk one away. unless it's like a surprise to link up with the third one. If it has nothing to do with the three of you, you guys should not be having individual conversations, and there should be no sex had before having that initial conversation. Okay? Okay. You're welcome. If you'd like to send me a tip, go to my website, kissyface.com. You can get something from my Things to Get Me list. You can buy a book. You can buy merch. You can buy something for my Naked Sunday collection. That's how you can tip me. Okay? You're very much welcome. I hope this video helps somebody. It's now 11 minutes in. It's probably going to cut up, so it's probably like 10 minutes long. I feel like that's a long enough video. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Yeah. If you wanted to know what a unicorn was, that's what a unicorn is. If you want to be a unicorn, let me know, because I want to know. Like, I feel like I want to be a unicorn. I feel like that would be like the perfect like situation. The best of both worlds. A boy and a girl. Can't touch me like Gojo. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.